In this session, let us learn about HTML image maps. With HTML image maps, you can create clickable areas on an image. The HTML map tag defines an image map. An image map is an image with clickable areas. The areas are defined with one or more area tags. Try to click on the computer, phone, or the cup of the coffee in the image below. See here HTML source code for the image map below. See here, by writing and executing this code, see, click on the computer, the phone, or the cup of coffee to go to a new page and read more about the topic. See, we should use like this code like this. Okay, chords, shape, circle, chords like this. Alt cup of coffee, erect coffee.html. Like this, you should write and execute this code. Work map / work map with like this 400 375. You can define height here, map here, area here, area, which you are going to select. Computer, phone, cup of coffee. If we click on laptop, we can get the information about the laptop. How does it work? The idea behind an image map is that you should be able to perform different actions depending on where in the image you click. To create an image map, you need an image and some HTML code that describes the clickable areas. The image is inserted using the img tag. The only difference from other images is that you must add a useMap attribute. Here you see the code. Image src is equal laptop.jpg, alt my laptop, useMap, hash workmap. The useMap value starts with a hashtag followed by the name of image map and use it to create a relationship between the image and the image map. Tip: you can use any image as an image map. Create an image map. To add a map element, the map element is used to create an image map and is linked to the image by using the required name attribute. Map name is equal to work map. The name attribute must have the same value as the img useMap attribute. The areas. Then add the clickable areas. The clickable areas is defined using an area element. You must define the shape of the clickable area and you can choose one of these values. RECT defines rectangular region. Circle defines a circular region. Poly defines a polygonal region. Default defines the entire region. You must also define some coordinates to be able to place the clickable area into the image. Shape is equal to RECT. The coordinates of shape RECT come in pairs, one of the x-axis and one of for the y-axis. So the coordinates that 3444 is located 34 pixels from the left margin and 44 pixels from the top. The coordinates 270350 is located 270 pixels from the left margin and 350 pixels from the top. Now we have enough data to create a clickable rectangular area. See example on code. See here, now everything hash work width 400, height 375. See here, name, work map, area shape, RECT, codes 3444270 alt computer, here is computer HTML. If you click on laptop or computer, automatically you can get the information about that like this. See here, like that you can get information. This is the area that becomes clickable and will send the user to the page computer.html. To add a circle area, first locate the coordinates of the center of the circle 337300. The specify the radius of the circle 44 pixels. Now we have enough data to create a clickable circle area. See the code and example result here. Same as written on top. See, click on the cup of coffee to go a new page and read more about the topic. Now if we click on cup on coffee, we get the information about the coffee. See here the information. Shape and poly. The shape is equal to poly contains several coordinate points which creates a shape formed with straight lines, a polygon. This can be used to create any shape, like maybe a boxes shape. How can we make the boxes in the image below become a clickable link? We have to find the x and y coordinates for all edges of the boxes. The coordinate comes in pairs, one for the y-x axis and one for the y-axis. See the code here. See, for write and execute this code by using this code 140, 121, 181 poly like this, using shape poly. See, click on boxes to go to the new page and read more about the topic. If you click anywhere, that particular page will be opened. This is the area that becomes clickable and will send the user to the page boxes.html. Image map and JavaScript. A clickable area can also trigger a JavaScript function and a click event to the area element to execute JavaScript function. Here we use the onClick attribute to execute a JavaScript function when the area is clicked. See here, click on the cup of coffee, execute a JavaScript function. If we click on the cup of coffee, automatically the JavaScript will be executed. You click the cup of coffee like this. See here, so JavaScript was popped. You have clicked the cup of coffee. See here, and also if you click on OK, automatically we get information about the coffee. Chapter summary. Use HTML map element to define an image map. Use the HTML area element to define the clickable area in the image map. Use HTML use map attributes to the image element to point to an image map. See image tag tips. IMG defines an image, map tag defines an image map, area tag defines the clickable area inside an image map, picture tag defines a container for multiple image resources. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 21 image map. In next video let us learn about another topic, HTML background images. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.